Before you start watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tapping the bell icon button so you will be first to know when we post new videos. Flaxseed is an ingredient full of blessings and properties for our health. It's a herbal substance complete of minerals, nutrients, fibers and fatty acids, which can be vital for the proper functioning of the frame. It may decrease the multiplied tires of sugar within the blood, as a result decreasing our urge for food. Also, if we start ingesting from nowadays, it could fully cleanse our intestines by means of absorbing nutrients and swiftly doing away with pollutants. The linseed slimming drink that we are going to expose you is very effective and mainly 100% natural, without any aspect outcomes. So put together it and we guarantee you that your urge for food will lessen extensively and at equal time, your frame will be completely purified. The elements that you will need are 3 tablespoons of flax seed, 1 liter of boiled water. Method of preparing and intake. At night, upload the 3 tablespoons of flax seed into a thermos, or another box with lid, with boiling water. The next day inside the morning, you can start laying all the benefits of this powerful flax drink to shed pounds healthily. Take approximately 3 to 4 cups of this effective drink, preferably before every meal, and for 10 days in a row, then pause for some other 10 days, after which resume the treatment again. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.